Do you see it, Mr. Krabs? Do you feel it, Mr. Krabs? Whoa! Yo, look at this freaking stock, man. Like, I just can't believe that it's continuing to make higher highs each and every freaking day. And it's been doing this for 6 days straight. Oh my god, I've been calling $20 since I started trading, and it's here, man. It's freaking here, dude. I can't believe it. What is going on, guys? It is your boy, Aaron. Welcome back to Alpha's Trades, where we like to talk about the stock market. And whoa, my camera just kind of bedazzled on you guys. But yeah, we like to talk about the stock market here. I'm not going to get into all that. I just want to get straight into the bee's knees of this freaking stock. Let me go ahead and start off by saying I'm not a financial advisor nor expert. I have no idea what I'm talking about literally ever. I'm just a guy that likes talking about this stock here, and I love talking about Ford because it's beautiful. So please do your own research, do your own DZ. All right, let's go ahead and get into this. Let's go ahead. Let's just get into this. Ford stock hit a high of 1973 on Friday. It is currently 6:17 p.m. on Sunday, November 7th. Oh man, what is the stock market? What the heck did I just say? The stock market is opening in, I suck at math, in 10 hours. Man, I cannot wait to see what this stock does. Unfortunately, I do think that we are going to start seeing a sell-off. Yesterday it did close below, or Friday it closed below Thursday's high, which was 1950. It closed at, what did we close at? 1929. That is a bearish sign if you ask me. The RSI on the daily is way too hot right now. Way too hot on the weekly. What about the monthly chart? Let's see that. Way too hot on the monthly chart. Starting to creep up there, yeah. So you guys, definitely expect a pullback. I'm not kidding. Expect a pullback. I'm definitely calling one. I definitely expect a pullback all week next week, if you want me to be honest with you. But it's okay, because look at this insane run up that we have had since right here. We've ran from $12 to $19 in about a month. That is wild, if you ask me. In about a month. Now, it was about a month and a half. But still, that is wild for Ford. But let's go ahead and get into the technicals, I guess. Let's go to this hourly chart. We had in the pre-market 1984. But that is going to go ahead and be your resistance point. I said in the past that you're going to be looking at 50 cents for every support and resistance zone, and unfortunately right here that did not happen. But it's looking like this candle bounced off of $19, $18.99 to be exact, but 50 cent, that would be your 50 cent mark. Tried to push past 1950, failed to do so, and it's kind of been consolidating ever since. No big deal. Expect a pullback though. But let's go ahead and look at this news real quick. This is kind of beautiful if you ask me. Ford attracts younger and more female buyers with the new $2,000 Maverick pickup truck. Let's look at that. This thing ain't too bad. This thing ain't too bad. Front looking kind of slick. Inside definitely looking kind of slick. Ooh, okay. Light blue. I see what they're saying with the more female buyer. It's more rounds. Usually Ford trucks are built for men, I guess. I don't know. I don't discriminate against that. I feel like anybody can have any kind of vehicle they want. But usually the styles have been more, I feel like, boxy. I don't know. This definitely is more curved. I see the appeal, or I see where they're getting the more female buyer. But that's good. Ford is trying to expand. They're trying to reach out. They're trying to get everybody. They want everybody in a Ford. And don't be surprised if you start seeing a lot more Fords. As soon as this chip shortage is freaking figured out, guys, that's literally all we're waiting on. And then the stock is going to the moon. We're also waiting for Rivian's IPO because Ford has a great stake in that. Literally, as I say that, Rivian raised its IPO price and can now be worth up to $65 billion. That is insane. If you don't know, that is the largest IPO in history, I think. And Ford is a part of it. Also, I just want to go ahead and point out that Ford is one of two, let me just say that again, one of two car companies in the world that has never gone bankrupt. I mean, I don't know if I just have to say anything else. If you're not in Ford, I don't know what you're doing. This is a buy and never sell stock. This thing will be worth $100 one day. Let me just go ahead and check its let me see here. Let me see if I can check its market cap real quick. Markets, Ford. How do I check its market cap on this freaking thing? This Prague. How do I not have Ford up here? Sorry, we have to deal with all this. And yes, I'm gonna keep it like this because I don't feel like editing this out. So, what's up, peeps? Anyways, let's get Ford Motor up here. Let me check his market cap real quick. And it's not showing me its market cap. But anyways, I could just look it up. I'm dumb. Probably should have done all this beforehand. But that is okay. Market cap 77.0. That's all I need to say. That's all I need to say. There's companies with $1 trillion market caps that are worth 100 times the stock. I don't even need to say anything else. This stock is going to the moon, and it's going to be going to the moon. And if you guys are not a part of it, then I don't know what to tell you. But like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, not an expert. So do your own DD. Let's get back into the technicals. I know I kind of went on a rant there, and we kind of just got off topic. But so 1984 is your resistance. Right now, support is what is that looking at? 19 bucks. Next one, 1851, 1770, or then $18, obviously, or 1779, and then or 1795. I'm literally just talking the talk. So support level 19 bucks. Then you're looking at 1850. I've already marked these out. 1851. After that, you were looking at 1795. After that, you were looking at 1746. Now, I'm not gonna lie. Let's go ahead and do a fib retracement really quick to see where this thing could potentially go to. So if you don't know what a Fibonacci retracement is, you just go to the bottom of a run up, top of a run up, and usually stocks pull back from anywhere from 50 to 61%. Now, we're looking at a 50%, we're looking at 16 bucks, and just be ready for it. You know what I'm saying? Just be ready for it. If it happens, it happens. It needs to happen for this stock to be able to continue to go up a little bit more. If not, we're looking at a 38.2%, which is 17, which is a little bit better. If we do have a pullback, these are levels that you definitely need to be watching for: 1701 and 1618. I know it's scary, but you need to be prepared for it. If you need to, buy some puts to hedge against your position and then sell the puts. Get long puts. Do not get weekly puts. For Ford, you will get burned. I promise you. Get long puts. Honestly, if this thing does start to go sideways, let's look at this 4-hour real quick. Yeah. This thing, yeah. So I definitely see it going down. The RSI is just way too hot. MACD way too hot. Bollinger Bands way too hot. So this thing definitely is going to be pulling back. Buy puts, long puts. I recommend probably $18. Maybe even 19. 18 or $19 puts. Maybe get them for December. Again, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Please understand you can lose your account if you get options. And please understand the Greeks before you go into just buying any random option. I know you see a lot of people who just YOLO their entire savings, life savings, and then they get like this huge sum of money, but just understand it's not going to work for you unless you know what you're doing. So with that being said, guys, that is the video. I hope you learned a little bit in this. Ford is definitely, it's going up. It's going up. Ford is going to $20. It's going well beyond that. My first PT is $20 for the end of the year. If it pulls back a little bit like I think it's going to, hopefully it bounces off the $17 area. Hopefully it doesn't. Maybe it just keeps on running like it's proven in the past, but I think it's entirely overbought at the moment. The RSI, yeah, it's coming back down. It needs to come back down. It needs to get back to this 50 range before it starts to go back up. But yeah, that is the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm not a financial advisor, not an expert. I just love talking about Ford stock. Please do your own research. Peace.